How to set users' account type to standard in Microsoft Intune. When managing cloud-provisioned devices, it's important to ensure that users are set as standard users instead of administrators for security reasons. Microsoft recommends this configuration to reduce security risks. With Windows Autopilot, users onboard to a device will automatically be set as standard users. For existing devices, a policy in Microsoft Intune can help manage and change user account types. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you on how to configure a policy in Microsoft Intune to ensure users are not members of the local administrator group, turning them into standard users. Steps to configure local user group membership in Microsoft Intune. Log into Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Navigate to Home Endpoint Security Account Protection. Click on Create Policy. Configure the policy. Platform, select Windows 10 and later. Profile, choose Local User Group Membership. Name your policy. Enter a descriptive name for your policy, e.g., Standard User Group Policy. Click Next to proceed. Set local group membership. Leave local group set as administrators. Change group and user action to add, replace. This option replaces the current members of the local administrator group with new specified users/groups. Add users or groups. In the Add Users list, add the users or groups you want to include in the local administrator group. Deploy the policy. Once configured, click Next and deploy the policy to the appropriate device or user group. Explanation of actions. Update adds new users to the local group without removing current members. Update removes selected users from the local group, but keeps existing members. Replace completely replaces the existing members with the specified users/groups. By following these steps, you can ensure that users on your organization's devices are set to standard users for enhanced security, reducing their access to local administrative privileges.